Hello, everybody. Today we are going to look at Unit 11 in the textbook English in Action 2. And if you can please turn to 191. That is Unit 11. The title here is People and Places. Okay. The caption down here explains what is happening in the picture. Let's read it together. A giant sequoia in Sequoia National Park, California. And a sequoia is a kind of a tree. Giant sequoias can live for more than 3,000 years. Wow, that is pretty old. All right, and we have here, do you see giant? Giant means very, very large, huge, same as huge. Okay, and if we look here, the academic goals for this unit are to match opposite adjectives, all right? And yeah, so we will be looking at adjectives for this unit. Looking on the next page, page 192, we have many different adjectives here, and you will be listening to exercise A in the coursework today, which is track 94. Let's look at some of the opposites here. We have tall, see the tall man, or he is tall. We have short, he is a short boy. So those are opposite, right? Tall is not short. Short is not tall. This one here, friendly. He likes to meet people. Opposite of friendly, unfriendly. Okay, so he is not friendly. He is unfriendly. So you'll go over that in exercise A as you're listening. Next page, page 193, I wanted to show you an exercise here. We have more vocabulary words, and for this exercise, you are going to match each adjective with its opposite. Okay, so tired, what is the opposite of tired? It is energetic. Let's go over the pronunciation here so you can repeat after me. Tired, short, old, angry, same as mad, right? Heavy, shy, friendly, boring, thin, talkative, tall, interesting, unfriendly, energetic, young, and happy. Okay, another thing I want to show you on this page is down here. See the little chart in the box here? We have word partnerships. Partnerships means two things that go together. They are partners. Okay, so here we're talking about hair. And with hair, we can often use these kinds of words to describe hair, to talk about hair, to give more information. Okay, so we have long hair. I don't have long hair. Okay, short hair. I don't have short hair. I actually have medium length hair. We have curly hair, straight hair, and then wavy hair, kind of in between. Straight and curly is wavy. So I have wavy hair. I have black wavy hair. And if you notice, you guys, I've been saying have, right? I have black hair. I also have wet hair. I had a shower earlier, so I have wet hair. So Shauna has black hair. We can also use the be verb, right? My hair is medium length. My hair is wavy. And we'll go over that in a minute. I wanted to show you now a document which will also be in your coursework today. So you'll be able to look at this document. Now, do you guys remember in your first week, we went over parts of speech. You guys remember nouns? A noun is a person or a place or a thing. For example, Shauna, Seattle, cell phone. Those are all nouns. Verbs are action words. They're also the be verb, like is, am, or are, and also have and has. And then we have pronouns, which take the place of a noun. We can use it instead of a noun. For example, Bob gives Tom the test. The pronouns here, he gives him the test. Or Susan plays with Marcia. She plays with her. Then we have the subject pronoun here, she, instead of Susan. And then her is the object pronoun. We can use her instead of Marcia. And then adjectives. Remember adjectives? What are they? They are words that describe nouns. They give us extra information about nouns. For example, sad. So feelings can be nouns, or red, or tall, or beautiful. And we use the be verb with adjectives, right? The man is sad, or the car is red, or the woman is tall. We can use it in front of the noun also. Okay, Marcia is a good teacher, or it is a red car, or she's a tall woman. So we can say these in two different ways, right? We can say the man is sad, and there's the be verb, Or we can also say he is a sad man. So you see the noun here, man, and we're going to use a as the article. He is a sad man. That's another part of speech, article. Another example, the car is red. Red is the adjective, is the verb. Or we can also say it is a red car. There's the noun. This is the extra information about the noun. In the last example, the woman is tall, or she is a tall woman. There's the noun, and there's the adjective to give us more information. All right, that is it for today, you guys. Thank you so much.